More than 270 films will be the showcase during the festival at a 6th venue, Inox Panaji, 4 screen, Maconis Palace 1 screen, Inox Porvorim, Z Square, Smart Samrat Ashok 2 screen, and Magic Movie Ponda 1 screen, and Inox Porvorim 4 screens. IFFI 2024 will be present over the 180 plus international films from 81 countries, including 15 world premieres, 14 Asian premieres, and 106 Indian premieres. Opening and closing ceremony will be held at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, 20th November and 28th of November respectively. All the venues for this year, IFFI will be inclusive with all facilities and access for the specially disabled person. Australia is the country of focus this year. Open air screening at Miramar, Ravindra Bhavan, Madgaon, and Vagatur. Swatantra Veer Savarkar as an opening film for Indian Panorama for the feature film category. Master classes will be held at from 21st to 27th of November, 4 sessions daily from the 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. at Kala Akademi. Savat, a Konkani film directed by the Shivam Harmalkar and the Santosh Shetkar, is only the Goan film selected for the non-featuring category under the Indian Panorama section. A.R. Rahman will play the tribute to Lata Mangeshkar organized under the Lata Mangeshkar Memorial Talk. IFFI will be host first IFFI Fiesta and Entertainment Extravaganza set to be bring communities by offering the curated dining and musical showcase for the festival goers, enhancing the cultural vibrancy of the festival at DBB ground, and this is open for all. Entertainment arena and around the Kala Akademi will be the focus for youth. IFFI Parade, this time we are celebrating as a joy of cinema, will be organized as a part of the IFFI on 22nd of November 2024, and the route is from the ESG to Kala Akademi. Timing will be approximately from the 3 p.m. to 6 p.m.